My name's Parfitt. I'm 26 years old from Pontypridd and I study mechanical engineering at Coleg y Cymoedd. The reason I decided to start studying at Coleg y Cymoedd was I saw a few friends who had joined the college recently, and seeing them progress in their career, start getting into different companies around South Wales, it just gave me the confidence to start it myself. I had a few interests when I was younger in taking things apart, putting stuff together, and it kind of sparked that passion in me. I was working in a job that, not that I weren't happy in, but that it wasn't challenging for me. So engineering seemed like the right role with the best career path. I studied at the college because of all the benefits that are open to you. The help and support that you get from all the tutors and the community that it breeds, there's just nothing like it. I highly recommend the apprenticeship program at Coleg y Cymoedd, as it's an easy way to get your foot in the door, and the culture they breed there in bringing out the best in you and all the help and support given to you, you just can't beat it.